Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I'll be doing a curry recipe with bitter gourd, a vegetable which is not liked by many. Although few like it, but people like me who just run away by the name of it. But since I started making the recipe in this method, you won't believe I also started eating and liking it. I'm sure if you also prepare this recipe and taste it once, you will also like it. This is stuffed bitter gourd curry. First, you need to prepare the stuffing. So for that, we need roasted peanuts, roasted gram dal, garlic 2 pods, turmeric powder, chili powder to taste, salt to taste, cumin seeds. First, we need to run this in the mixie and make it a powder. Actually, in South India, most of the houses we have this chutney podi is made already, groundnut powder and gram dal powder. But for today, the people who don't have this, I'm just telling them you have to grind this into a powder and make it ready. Now that our stuffing powder is ready, this is ready now. These are the bitter gourd. I've got them a smaller size ones. If you don't have, you can take a bigger one, but cut into like big pieces. You need coriander, curd, onions very finely chopped, crushed garlic, water. First, we need to peel the skin, chop the sides, make a slit. Because we have to stuff in, so we should make a slit, put it into water, make the same way for everything. First, we need to boil this. This is the important step in this, because the bitter gourds are very bitter in taste. To cut that bitterness, we need to first boil them. So you need to just add the amount of water that much that these dip into that. That's it. And then we need to add curd. We need to add little turmeric powder, salt little, and we should allow it to boil until the water is completed. The water is fully evaporated. We need to boil this. We need to allow this to boil completely. We'll check after it boils completely. Now you can see that it is boiled completely. Now you have to remove it and cool it a little bit. Let's start preparing the stuffing. So the stuffing powder is ready. So we need to add very finely chopped onions, little crushed garlic, coriander. We have to mix it properly. Now let's start stuffing it in. We have to just fill it as much as possible. Now I have stuffed in completely. Now we'll fry it on the pan. Now I have realized that I have few bell peppers in my fridge, so I'll just stuff in a little stuffing into this. This we need a little more for the curry, but this is extra actually, so I'll just stuff in a little bit into this and I'll fry these on the pan. As a side dish, I can use this as a side dish for curd rice. It tastes really great. I've taken the pan, heated it a little bit, I'm adding oil. Now we have to fry this stuffed bitter gourd, so I'll add little seasoning, mustard seeds, add little urad dal, add little jeera, now let's place these stuffed bitter gourd into this. We'll allow it to roast it so nicely that it has to become brown. So we'll just keep the lid over this and roast it for a little while. Now let's check once. See, they have roasted now. Let's turn them to the other side. because it has to roast on the other side as well. Now that I have turned, I'll be adding the remaining powder into this and allow it to cook. Now that this is done, see, you can see that it is fried on both the sides. Now we can transfer this into another dish. Now that the bell peppers are stuffed, so we'll pan fry these, shallow fry them. We'll heat a dosa pan, add little oil onto it. Let the oil heat a little bit. Good. Now we'll place these onto this. We'll allow it to cook on all the sides. We started with preparation of one dish and ended in making two. So our tasty stuffed bitter gourd is ready. It can be enjoyed with both rice and chapati. Then our stuffed peppers goes good as a side dish for the curd rice. So you can enjoy it. I hope you liked my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.